Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on the Port Royal Street, and this section of Port Royal Street was recently renovated. As you can see, it's a very nice road now. It's well paved, it needs some white lines, but other than that it was very nicely done by the government. It's part of the government's project to renovate downtown Kingston. So on the left is GP, General Penitentiary, that's a prison, and we're on Port Royal Street. The name of the project to renovate this road was the Port Royal Street Redevelopment Project. And it looks like it's finished. We just need the white lines, and for some reason when these roads are built in Jamaica it takes months for the white lines to go on. I'm not sure why. The road looks finished. I don't think they're going to put any more asphalt on the road, and it's still not painted. Okay, so we're going to turn around now. On the left, that's the Raytown Fishing Village. Raytown Fishing Beach. And this is the central Kingston area. Alright, we're going to go back over to the part of the road that was recently renovated. Okay, now this section, you can see they have parking spaces where people can pull up and enjoy the view. We're looking at the Kingston Harbour there. Very beautiful view. You can see the skyline of downtown Kingston with all the new high-rise buildings. Very beautiful view. Government has done an excellent job renovating this area. This project was done under the JLP government. JLP has actually done a very good job in renovating these areas and an excellent job in building roads, or what would you say, renovating the road infrastructure in Jamaica. And that's probably one of the reasons why they won such a landslide victory in the last election. Okay, as you can see, this road has a boardwalk so persons can walk up and down and enjoy the view. It's a similar boardwalk like the one that was built on Palisados, and the Palisados boardwalk is very popular. Okay, on the right you can see the prison. A lot of persons have asked, why don't they move the prison? It's an eyesore. Well, I think it's a cost. It would cost so much money to remove it and build it somewhere else. But the prison is sitting down on prime commercial real estate. But that prison was built probably hundreds of years ago, before this area was developed like this. Okay, on the left you can see the beautiful boardwalk. They're going to put up street light fancy lamps. You can see the poles sticking out of the ground. That's for the lamps. So basically that's all left, to put up the lamps and to paint the road. There you can see the downtown Kingston skyline. On the left, that's the Bank of Jamaica building. Then you have the Scotia building, then the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and then the Grace Kennedy building. Alright, let's go through them. The one on the right now, that has 100 on it, that's the Grace Kennedy building. The one straight ahead, that's the Ministry of Foreign Affairs building. The one on the left, that's the Bank of Jamaica building. And the one between the Bank of Jamaica and the Ministry of Foreign Affairs is the Scotia building. So we're on Port Royal Street, and this is Port Royal Street in downtown Kingston. This is not Port Royal, the town of Port Royal. They're two completely different places. Okay, on the right now you can see the Air Jamaica building with the Air Jamaica logo. Air Jamaica used to be an airline, the national airline of Jamaica, but it closed down a few years ago. But the building still has its name. But it's the Air Jamaica building. Downtown Kingston is the most populated area of Kingston. We're in the commercial or the business side of the area, but if we were to go further down, we'd go into the residential area where you have a lot of communities. So this is more like the business side, your offices, commercial. Then we'll get to the, the retail side. You have a lot of wholesales like Princess Street, a lot of wholesales. And then when you pass there, you go into the residential areas like West Kingston. We're coming up to the intersection with King Street, and King Street has a Supreme Court of Jamaica on it. That's probably what it's most famous for, and it leads to Parade, which is where all the buses in downtown Kingston run from. Today is a Sunday, so the place isn't very busy. But during the week, this is a very, and especially on a Saturday, though, well, during the week, Monday to Friday, the business part is very busy. And then on Saturday, you have the shopping part now with the wholesales and the markets. Those are very busy on a Saturday. Okay, we're now going to turn onto Ocean Boulevard and take a look at the oceanfront property in Jamaica. And this is Ocean Drive, is where you find a lot of oceanfront property. Beautiful view, some of the best property in downtown Kingston for commercial business, office rentals, those kind of things. So straight ahead, that's the Kingston Harbour. So you can imagine the view from your office building when you look out and see this beautiful harbour. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.